Welcome to Solutions Apps. In this video tutorial, we would like to show you how you can use artificial intelligence intelligently and effectively for your business. Both in the administration portal and in the partner portal, our lead AI function generates a report. Our system feeds the AI with questions and answers from current and potential customers. Based on this, the AI creates a comprehensive report that shows you what the customer needs, how much they want to invest, and with the help of our machine learning, the AI can also estimate when the customer is likely to place an order. Another AI feature is our text description function. Many companies face the challenge of launching their products or services in a new country and optimizing their page for search engines. Based on your original item description, our AI function generates meta keywords, meta descriptions, technical specifications, and all other necessary texts. We look forward to your feedback and comments about your experience with our system so that we can continuously improve its user-friendliness.